Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back if you guys are not new. Now, it has been a minute. I am struggling to kind of find a balance between filming and now that the kids are here because of, summer and school's out and whatnot. But bear with me, I have not stopped filming. I am just finding it hard to find the time to film. But without further ado, I'm going to try to jump into the video and not ramble on too much. I have had this box here for a couple of weeks now. And I purchased it one stop product launch. It is from Spectrum Cosmetics. It is, let's show you without it falling out the package. There we go. It is the Tinkerbell and Spectrum collection. Now, from my understanding, I believe I paid $90 for the whole collection. But currently right now you could only get the makeup bag and the glow mist. Again, I'll go into detail and I'll further show you everything. And then at Ulta right now they actually have the sponge set, the makeup bag, and the brush set. Okay, so jumping in. I think we're gonna start with the brushes first. So now you can only get this on Ulta right now. The brush set is $4.99 at Ulta, and you kind of hold a little tab and the brushes come out. So bear with me. And there it is. Now on the back of the box, you guys can like pause it to see if you want to, but it tells you what each brush is marketed as, but there are no rules to makeup, so you can use a brush for whatever you want. So this one is like a nice fluffy brush. I'll probably use this for like powder or blush, or maybe like a precision bronzer brush. Then we got this one, which I would kind of use for like either contour. You could probably use this as like a blush brush as well, but I like the little sloped. Anyway, they feel really nice. I don't own any brushes from Spectrum, so this is kind of my first time like touching and feeling them. They are a little bit smaller than your average brush, but not by much. So you got this angled brush. I would definitely use this for either blush or even contour. Then we got these smaller brushes. So this one I would use like as like a packing brush to pack on like my lid color. Then you got an angled brush that you use for like your brows, or like smoking out your lower lash line or upper lash line to do kind of like a powdered wing with your eyeshadow. Then you got a spoolie on your side. This is very, very, very soft. Again, I'm not picky, so I really don't care. I'm just noting it's very soft. I love how on all the brushes got the little Tinkerbell on there as well. And then you got like a blender brush, because you can never have too many of those, which also feels really nice and soft as well. Next, I'm gonna show you guys the makeup bag. Now you can get the makeup bag on Spectrum and at Ulta as well, but on Ulta it's $24.99 and Spectrum is $27, so it's a little cheaper at Ulta. But I think this is so cute. Now, if you guys don't already know, like I know plenty of my family and friends already know, I am obsessed with Tinkerbell. Like that is my character. Like Tinkerbell is my bitch. I love Tinkerbell. And then I also love Baby Yoda as well, but Tinkerbell will forever have a place in my heart. But yeah, if you're just wondering, I love Tinkerbell and Baby Yoda. So it's a nice little bag, plenty of room. My daughter actually chucked all my brushes in here before I was filming, so I had to put them all back, for presentation purposes. But anyways, and then we got this, which is the dual blending brushes. Dual blending sponges. I'm sorry about that. Now you can only get this at Ulta, which is $12.99. Yeah, $12.99. So it comes with 2 blending sponges, and I'm gonna be real with you, I don't even know if I want to use them because it is just so cute. Like, I don't mind using the smaller one, but the bigger one, I can't bring myself to use it. So like the bigger one has like Tinkerbell imprinted in it, and then this one like is all marbly. And I'd probably use this. This is a little bit more stiff than this one, but not very much. But I don't want to like stain it with foundation. I'm weird. Whatever. Just anyways. And then we got the Glow Mist. Now, this you could only get on Spectrum. This is $18 for this little bottle. So, in all honesty speaking, this little teeny tiny bottle, and I don't got big hands, but look at this sucker. It is so small. It's too expensive for $18. But I love how she's printed on the front. Side note, they also gave me one for free. I mean, it doesn't have the Tinkerbell on it, but for making the order, like there was a promotion or something going on when I made this order. So they gave me one for free. Now I will note, like, this bullshit is in here because it's like microfine glitters in here as well. I wouldn't even say glitter, like a shimmer in here. So like when you leave it and it sets to the bottom, you kind of see it, and then it got like little bolitas on the bottom to kind of like redistribute it and shake it up, you know, to mix it up again. But putting them side by side, I will say, like, the original, you can, this has always been, from my understanding, on Spectrum. Like, this is one of their like hyped items. But anyways, it's too expensive. It's $18. Anyway, what I want to show you guys is the color difference. Like the original one, their OG is like a little bit darker than the Tinkerbell one. I don't know if that makes much of a difference, but I actually set my face with this one today. But so, you know, all that glowy and dewiness. I try to mix gluey. Forgive me guys, it's been a minute since I sat in front of the camera. But that's that nice little sheen. I actually got some on my neck, not on purpose, by accident, but I didn't realize that this mist was very like all over the place. But nice so far. I can't really attest to the longevity, but I am a dry ass alligator when it comes to my skin, so give me all the dewy and glowiness. I'm here for it. So I will be linking all of the products down below that you can purchase via Spectrum and Ulta, and the prices down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned. I am trying my hardest to pump out more videos. It's just, like I said, finding the time to sit down and film is not that easy. But again, thank you for watching and have a good one. Please comment, like, subscribe, share my videos if you can, and have a blessed day. Bye.